This is a presentation on multiplying and dividing integers by Mathematically Marcia. When multiplying and dividing integers, we just multiply or divide, whichever you're doing. If you have like signs, then your answer is positive. And if you have unlike signs, your answer is negative. And it doesn't matter if the bigger one's positive or the smaller one's positive. If they're like, it's positive. If they're unlike, it is negative. So looking at the first example, 5 times 7, they're both positive. So my answer is a positive 35. For the next example, negative 5 times 7, they're unlike because one is negative, one is positive. So my answer is negative. 5 times negative 7, those are also unlike, which means that answer is also negative. Notice again, it didn't matter which one was negative. One of them's negative, the answer is negative. The last example, they're both negative, and because they're like, my answer is positive. Same thing with division, 48 divided by 6. Those are both positive, so my answer is positive. Negative 48 divided by 6. The signs are different. One's negative, one's positive. They're unlike, so my answer is negative. 48 divided by negative 6. Once again, they're unlike, so my answer is negative. Negative 48 divided by negative 6. Those are like, so my answer is positive. And again, when you see two negatives, you can think of it as being positive. So let's look at what happens when you have a group of numbers that you're multiplying. Let's just look at it going from left to right. First of all, positive 3 times positive 4 would be positive 12. And then 12 times negative 2 would be negative 24. And then negative 24 times 5 would be negative 120. Notice I only had one negative, so that meant, okay, and then looking at the next example, negative 6 times negative 2. Those are like, so that's actually going to be a positive 12 times 1 is still positive 12 times negative. Now we have a positive times a negative, so that's negative 12. Then you have negative 12 times negative 2. That's a negative times a negative, which is a positive. And notice here I had 1, 2, 3, 4 negatives, which is 2 pairs. As we said on the last page, each set of negatives cancels and makes it positive. Because there's an even number, all of them cancel out, and my answer ended up being positive. Please share below any questions you have or any topics you would like me to explain in future videos. Thank you for watching.